have here, people, we have the Anker, not Anchor, Anker USB Type-C, Anker Powerline plus USB-C to USB 3.0 cable, 3 feet high durability for Samsung Galaxy Note 8, S8, S8 Plus, S9, MacBook, Sony XZ, LG V20, G5, G6, HTC 10. I'm wondering why it said Samsung Galaxy 8, but it didn't list the Samsung 10. I don't know why. It says it's got bulletproof. I don't know if it's bulletproof fiber core with double braided nylon exterior, 5G gigabytes per second. Well, that's because of the 3.0. Has nothing to do with the cable as much as it's the 3.0 standard. I don't know why it doesn't list the Samsung 10. You would think it would. And people are asking if it works on the S10 Plus. Yes, the S10 has a USB-C port. Is it compatible with the S10 Plus? Yes, I bought it for my daughter's S10 and it works wonderfully. See other answers. Fast charge doesn't work, but USB transfer speeds are USB 3.0, 480. All right, so it's a USB 3.0 to C, and that's what I really need to look at right now. So the 3.0 just means that it's made as a better cable to handle the 3.0 standard, but it's downward compatible to USB 2 and USB 1. So this is the old standard USB connector. On your PC or in your vehicle, you're going to have, chances are you're not going to have a USB-C connector. You're going to have a USB-A like this is. This will plug in, and then you can use this to power your cell phone. So we're just going to check it out right now. It comes with a little strappy poo over here. If you like my videos, do a thumbs up, subscribe, like, share, leave a comment. If you want to donate to my channel, ask for my PayPal info. And this is 3 feet. I believe they sell this in a 10-footer. But, and I thought I was buying, no, I wanted to get the 10-footer, but I thought, I don't want 10 feet of cable in my car. So that's why I bought the 3-footer. 10 feet probably would have worked out better for home use. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to plug this into my computer, which is a USB 2. I have another one that's got USB 3. Let's just plug this in. Okay, wrong direction. And let's, the connector plugs in well, the USB, obviously it should, and then we're just going to see how this plugs in. This is a much narrower feel. It's going to go in with the case, which is nice. Nice, smooth, plugs in. Charging, 99%. We saw that it was at 99%. Made by Anker. I'm happy with it. Start, no, I don't want to see that. So I'm really happy with that. You can't beat it for the price. Let's go back and check out the price. What did I pay for this thing? What did I pay for it? So I paid $10 for, okay, so it comes in red or it comes in gray. I have a black interior, black gray interior. Red is really going to stand out, but I don't leave my cables in plain view. And this is only in case I need to charge my cell phone when I'm in the car. Comes in a 3-foot size and a 6-foot size. The price is really good. So there it is, people. That is the Anker USB-C. That's USB-C to USB-A 3-foot cable in red. It has a really nice fiber sleeving, as they said. It's like a cloth sleeving type thing. Feels really good. I think that's awesome that they put this little Velcro cable tie poo on here that I can't undo right now to use. There it is. Yeah, that's a nice little touch. That's a really cool thing that they did. And so you can put it over there when you're storing it away, if you're storing it away, and just wrap it up. And it's nice and neat, and it's out of the way, and it looks good. And we have a little part number over there. I don't really need that. I have to get a scissors to cut that off, so I bought 2 of these. One is going to stay in the car at all times, and the other is going to stay here because even though I've got the high-speed chargers, I can plug this into the USB 3 port, the 3 port. And I don't know if I plugged in a 2.0 cable to the C, if I'd still get the same charging speed. Probably. I think this is more for data. I could be wrong. Maybe there's some extra pins in here. But either way, it's a good price. It's a good product. It feels really nice. The connectors are smooth. And that's my review of the Anker USB-C to USB-A 3-foot cable.